Guys, welcome back to my channel. This is FABRICA. Welcome to Globo Arte Mixing Page channel where we make content for artists and creative entrepreneur. In today's video guys, I'm going to be addressing one of the most common question about how to go about building up a portfolio for submitting and to get an approval onto the Creative FABRICA. So I'm going to be talking about that. Although I have made another video talking about making the portfolio, if you want to check out, I'm going to leave in the card section above. But today I'm going to be opening up a few more key points, a few more essential points while building up the portfolio to get an approval onto the Creative FABRICA. So let's get straight with that. Before going good part, consider clicking the like button guys. I really appreciate that. And if you want more such video, consider subscribing to our channel because we upload daily videos like that to help creatives and artists make money online. And a bunch of the free resources, link in the description box below, or simply head over to globocreative.com. Go over to the freebie section, download all the freebies that we have, the graphics, the textures, and the KDB interiors. It contains full commercial license, and make sure to check it out each month because we'll be adding more each month. Now let's talk about building up the portfolio for the Creative FABRICA, or even if you're applying for the creative market, design cards, or Hungry JPEG. As a designer, as an artist, I'm going to be talking about that. Now, building up a portfolio is not about a hard and fast rule that you need to be creating a portfolio on some specific platform or there is some specific criteria or there is some rule. No, it's not like that. Some people make the portfolio on the social media platform, the Instagram, Facebook, or even onto the Pinterest. Other people made it on their own website. Some people use the online shops as a portfolio, like the Etsy portfolio, the Amazon, or selling onto the Society 6, Redbubble, Teepublic, or even you can build up a portfolio on the Dribble and Behance. But I'm going to tell you one thing guys, like if you go into the creative market, if you want to get the approval onto not just onto the Creative FABRICA but also getting an approval onto the creative market, you need to submit your portfolio link. And if you're going to see, if you're just going to scroll down, you're going to see that creative market is morely recommending the Dribble platform. Now what is a Dribble? Dribble is kind of like a social media platform for the designers, for the artists in the creative entrepreneur fields. Like it could be a web designer, it could be a software designer, or it could be a normal designer as well, a graphic designer. So the various different kinds of designers are there on the Dribble, and it's basically catering to the creative field. So that's why creative market more of a recommend of the Dribble. So if you are actually looking to get an approval into the creative market, make sure to check it out, the Dribble, and make your portfolio on that because they recommend that. Because Dribble is kind of like a professional social media platform, you can say, specifically for the creatives. Like on the Instagram, you're going to see that everyone have their portfolio. Even if you are not an artist or a creative or a designer, you can create a portfolio onto the Instagram. On the Dribble, it's specifically catering to the designer. It's kind of like a more professional, and it's free to open up your portfolio. You don't need to pay them. Obviously, I think they have they also have a premium plan, but you can probably go with a free plan in the beginning. It's worth it. And another platform that is more professional for creating a portfolio, especially for the artist and designer, is the Behance. Behance is also another amazing professional kind of a social media platform, especially for the creative designers. So if you're looking for getting an approval, then you can check these professional platform out there as well. Apart from that, you can create your portfolio on the Instagram, onto the social media platform. It depends on you. It's just kind of like what I really mean by portfolio, what people want to see in your portfolio. Portfolio, you can call it as an open gallery, or a kind of like a gallery where they can see their work, the designs, your artworks, whatever you're submitting. They can see your work and they can see that probably this person is selling or making such kind of work, and whether it's compatible to a platform or not. If it's compatible, they're gonna say yes to it. So there is no hard and fast rule that you need to create a platform or a portfolio like this. No, they just want to see your work. I want to give you one example. It's my friend who is an artist as well, who submitted to getting an approval onto the Creative FABRICA. Firstly, he applied with a portfolio link where he was only having 10 to 15 or 20 designs on his portfolio, and he placed that link in the Creative FABRICA approval form and he got rejected. And then later on, I told him to add more designs, add more things onto that portfolio and make a portfolio kind of like a gallery, not just for the sake of getting an approval. Upload more of your works, at least 50 to 100, so that they can see your work in professional. If you're uploading 50 to 100, they're going to see that this person is really consistent. They are having so many different works, or they have this kind of work on their portfolio, and they're really serious, and they have uploaded 50 to 100 works on this portfolio. So they're going to take you seriously and chances to get an approval. So after that, he uploaded 100 new works, 100 new artworks on his portfolio, and he get an approval. So that thing you could do, guys, you can start with a portfolio on any single platform out there and upload more of your works to get the approval. One amazing point I want to talk about is also important. If you're looking for getting an approval onto the creative market on the Creative Fabrica, and if you're having a shop onto the Etsy and you're selling your graphics, your illustrations onto the Etsy, you can use the Etsy shop as a social proof for getting an approval on these platforms, because on the Etsy you can see that how many sales you're getting, how many followers you are, how many favorites you have. So whenever someone will going to land on your Etsy shop, they're going to see that this person is selling so many products, and they also getting the good reviews, also getting the sales, also getting the followers and favorites. So it increases your chances to get an approval onto the creative market, also the Hungry JPEG and the Creative Fabrica. So these are the few points you can consider to increase your chances to get an approval. And after all, it depends on these platforms only. I am not paid or sponsored to talk about this platform. I'm just talking based on my experience as a designer. As a seller on this platform, I see that it increases your chances of getting an approval when they see that this kind of person is selling or having a portfolio on such website, getting more sales, getting more favorites, more followers, and their work, they have uploaded like 50 to 100 different kinds of artworks or similar kind of artworks. So it increases the more likely the chances of that. So if you're a completely newbie and thinking of making a portfolio, then probably I would say to make a portfolio in the Dribbble or Behance, because it's a professional platform and they're free to use. You can create your portfolio on that. You can check out the other Behance artist or designer portfolio and see what they have made and what they have uploaded, and then you can make it according to it. If not, then you can also make your portfolio onto the Instagram and add your bio details and your profile picture according to it, so it increases the chances of you getting an approval. I hope I have cleared your doubts, your question in this video. Do let me know in the comment section below what you think, and if you want more such videos in the future, consider subscribing. And thank you so much for tuning in today's videos. See you for the next time. Take care. Bye guys.